this is the first portage I had to take. There's more trees down up there. I think I can get through there. I've had the camera down because it's been one log jam after another. My legs all cut up around this one. It's probably behind some poison ivy or something. Take a muddy entrance too. That's gonna suck. All part of adventure. I knew there was gonna be portages before I came. Didn't realize there's this much more timber down since last time I was here. Good news is the first portage I had to take last time I could get through today. Enough adventure, enough again. Let's continue.